I have a Carrier FE4A air handler with a 44 error code. Communication failure with the blower. The fan comes on and runs for 5 minutes or so after I reset the breaker. A technician came out and said I need to replace the board in the fan. $1,450. I was surprised since the fan blows strong before the communication fault. Does this seem right?
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
The technician just checked both. He said it need a new fan and fan module. But should I need a new fan module if it's blowing air before the communication fault?
What confuses you?
He said I need a new fan, but the fan comes on and blows fine. Then a communication fault and it shuts off. Seems like it's the controller, not the fan. Should I have to replace both?
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I don't mind paying someone, I just don't want to replace parts that might not be bad. It's a big price tag.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Air handler is a Carrier FE4A 002.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I'll be happy to assist you today. The FE4 uses the full variable speed blower motor, which consists of a motor and a removable module. When a new motor is purchased, it comes with a matching module, however the module can be ordered separate from the motor. If only the module is determined to be bad, it is much less expensive to replace. If the technician was unsure whether or not the problem is the module or the motor, I would call the service manager and ask for him to order both and try the new module on the existing motor first. If it works, the company can return the motor to Carrier and only charge you for a module.
A Carrier status 44, might it be something even simpler? A loose wire, bad capacitor, etc. Is there something else I can do to troubleshoot this myself?
Unfortunately not. A communication error would either be the board, module, or the wiring in between. There are no capacitors on the ECMs. You can look at the wires and connectors between the control board and motor and make sure they look okay, but my bet is on the module.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.